We need it.
One in the middle.
We got the other one we can cut up. Oh, we gotta fuck with this nice one.
We need one in the middle. Put the tubo on there. Get rid of that line.
I got it. Whatever we got over there, we got it. Don't take David Hilo. Rich, so what time are you able to get started tomorrow?
Oh shit, it don't matter how early you want.
You working tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow Friday?
Thursday. Leaving out there to get my helmet.
I don't gotta pick up no material or nothing. We just gotta get it going.
7:30.
Whatever you tell me.
7:30. Little camera right here.
Rick, where the fuck you at?
Hey, I bet I got a little ring somewhere hiding up here. They low-key got their camera looking up here
Where?
in the chimney.
I can't even see that far.
I didn't see that before. But they got a camera right in the fucking chimney, right inside the car.
This is it, guys. We just finished up this bell tower. I just doing the final wipes on the stone. We're gonna acid wash everything here in about a week or so. All right, we'll take that kneeboard cash. Okay. Shit. Give me that little bit of mud. She's probably just enough for like a little hole. Go plug that one in right there. All right, we got that in there. Let me get the sponge.
Y'all straight?
Yeah, we just got to get that sand down from the back of the truck. All right, so tomorrow we're going to backfill all this. Fill it in solid. You put the cooler on there, Rich? I mean, Cash? Cooler's on the lift? All right, let's head down.
You don't need nothing else from up here?
I don't think so. Let's head down. Take some of these mallets with us. We're getting ready to go to this other job, y'all. Hey, yo, Cash. Gotta fucking put the chain on. Look, y'all, after this, gotta put the chain on. Secure? I'm not sure yet. Let me see. I gotta move it up higher. Damn, I'm doing it one-handed. All right, we in there, y'all.